Signs that abuse has become addiction. A drug addiction or alcohol use disorder can be difficult to identify without understanding the signs of addiction. Substance use disorders can change the way people look, how they act, and how they feel, and the symptoms of drug abuse can be physical, behavioral, and psychological in nature. Not everyone who uses drugs or alcohol has a substance abuse problem. However, about 10% of Americans struggle with substance abuse. Understanding the signs and symptoms of drug addiction is the first step towards getting help. Fortunately for concerned family members and friends, many characteristics of addiction are easy to identify. And many types of drug addiction share similar signs and symptoms. If someone can recognize the symptoms of addiction, they may be able to help a friend or family member who struggles with this disease. How do I know if someone is on drugs? When you're wondering how to tell if someone is using drugs, physical signs can be your first indicator, followed by behavior and psychological changes. Physical signs. If someone misuses drugs or alcohol, they may exhibit numerous physical signs of drug abuse. Some of these signs may be readily apparent, while others are easily hidden or occur as gradual changes. Some physical signs of addiction are: 1. Frequent runny nose, common with cocaine addiction. 2. Tremors or seizures. 3. Loss of physical coordination. 4. Extreme lethargy. 5. Chemical odor on breath or clothes. 6. Pinpoint pupils, common with opioid and heroin addiction. 7. Bloodshot or watery eyes. 8. Changes in weight. 9. Changes in appetite and eating habits. 10. Clenching of the jaw. 11. Irregular sleeping patterns or difficulty falling asleep. 12. Marks on skin. 13. Poor personal hygiene. Behavioral signs. A person who misuses drugs or alcohol may act like a different person too. There are just as many behavioral signs of drug addiction as there are physical symptoms, and some of the most significant include: 1. Changes in activities or hobbies. 2. Shifts in social circles. 3. Decreased participation in family activities. 4. Poor performance in work or school. 5. Repeated lying, dishonesty, or deceit. 6. Legal issues. 7. Secretive behavior. 8. Self-isolation. 9. Neglecting responsibilities. 10. Financial issues. Psychological signs. When someone misuses drugs or alcohol, they may look and act in uncharacteristic ways. They may also think and feel differently than they normally do. Psychological signs of drug abuse can include changes in a person's thought patterns, attitudes, beliefs, and priorities. Some psychological signs of drug and alcohol addiction can include: 1. Changes in personality traits. 2. Mental illness like depression or anxiety. 3. Paranoid, fearful, or obsessive thoughts. 4. Negative self-image. 5. Dismal outlook on or attitude toward life. 6. Withdrawing emotionally from loved ones. 7. Lack of motivation. 8. Feelings of apathy or disinterest. Signs of drug abuse/addiction by drug. Alcohol. Signs of alcohol abuse may include: 1. Sleepiness. 2. Clumsiness or staggering. 3. Slurred speech. 4. Impaired judgment. 5. Slow reaction times. 6. Missing alcohol or finding that alcohol has been diluted with water to replace missing alcohol. Marijuana. Signs of marijuana abuse may include: 1. Red, bloodshot eyes. 2. Dry mouth. 3. Unexplained cough. 4. The scent of sweet smoke in clothing. 5. The scent of cigarettes, cloves, or incense in clothing, used to mask the marijuana smell. 6. Talking too loudly. 7. Inappropriate or excessive laughter. 8. Sleepiness. 9. Loss of motivation. 10. Eating excessively or at unusual times, particularly sweet or salty food. 11. Weight gain. Hallucinogens. Signs of hallucinogen abuse, LSD, PCP, magic mushrooms, may include 1. Bizarre behavior, including inappropriate affection, aggression, or paranoia. 2. Excessive self-absorption or focus on objects. 3. Difficulty interacting with others. 4. Mood swings or confusion. 5. Dilated or irregular pupils. Stimulants. Signs of stimulant abuse, cocaine, methamphetamine, ecstasy, prescription stimulants, Adderall, Ritalin, may include 1. Hyperactivity or excessive talking. 2. Anxiety or irritability. 3. Giddiness or euphoria. 4. Flushed skin. 5. Grinding teeth. 6. Dry mouth. 7. Sore jaw. 8. Dilated pupils. 9. Skipping meals or sleep. 10. Sudden episodes of depression or paranoia. 11. Weight loss. Heroin and prescription opiates. Signs of heroin and/or prescription opioid abuse, codeine, morphine, Vicodin, Percocet, Dilaudid, OxyContin, fentanyl, may include 1. Needle marks in arms, legs, or feet. 2. Wearing long sleeves or pants to cover needle marks. 3. Sleeping during the day. 4. Sniffling or coughing. 5. Sweating or clammy skin. 6. Loss of appetite. 7. Vomiting. 8. Loss of bowel movement regularity. 9. Constricted pupils that do not respond to direct light. 10. Missing prescription painkiller pills. Inhalants. Signs of inhalant abuse, such as glue or aerosols, may include 1. Difficulty seeing. 2. Nausea. 3. Headaches. 4. Watery eyes. 5. Runny nose. 6. Rashes around the mouth or nose. 7. Impaired memory. 8. Drowsiness. 9. Clumsiness. 10. Irritability or anxiety. 11. An unusual number of spray cans or cream charging cylinders in the trash. Benzodiazepines. Signs of benzodiazepine abuse, Ativan, Xanax, Klonopin, Valium, may include 1. Similar symptoms as alcohol intoxication, without the smell of alcohol on the breath. 2. Missing prescription pills. This video article is sponsored by Signal Health Group, Assisted Care at Home, and Signal Health Group franchise. If you're searching for personal care, home health, or hospice care, please reach out to us to discuss the costs and the coverage you may receive from your current health insurance providers. We would be happy to help you stay safe, healthy, and comfortable in your home for as long as possible. For those who are interested in business opportunities across the U.S., Signal Health Group is a franchise. With the number of older individuals growing every day, choosing to run a home care agency is a wise idea. Learn more about our services offered across the United States and business opportunities at signalhg.com or call franchise 800-953-6183.